Hello, my name's Sergio. Today we're going to be going over LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking site that is used by business professionals to propel themselves further in the business field. So, with that being said, if you go to the LinkedIn site, you'll be prompted to make your own account. But for whatever reason, if you somehow made it in without ever setting up your own account and you needed a guide on it, here's exactly what you would do. When you come to the site, it's going to bring you to this page right here. You'll see a grayed out circle right here with a grayed out image as well of a person. That will be your profile picture. I'm going to show you how to change that and how to update that. So we're going to click on the button that says me. We'll click on view profile. We're going to go down to the pen right there. We'll click on that. And as you can see on the edit intro page, we have a whole bunch of different things we can add in here, being education, current position, industry, summary, all that fun stuff. And on the very bottom, you can upload media. I uploaded my resume, but for anybody else, you could upload that or any other extracurricular things that you could add in that could give you a leg up in the business field. So after you make that, you'll hit save your changes, and go back to the main page. We'll click on that right there. So LinkedIn, just like the other Office apps, is pretty straightforward. You're able to learn a lot of it based on your own efforts and how much you want to apply to it. I had no idea about LinkedIn. I was able to set up my profile and pretty much go through the rest of this app and have a pretty good idea what I can do with it and other things as well. So here are some things that I learned from the Office apps that I can definitely apply to this application as well. Through PowerPoint, I learned how to set up media and how to upload documents and images correctly. So I was able to upload my resume in a very timely and efficient way that allowed me to move on to other tasks on this website as well. Also with that, I was able to learn how to format correctly. I haven't been able to apply what I've learned from Word yet, but once I do, I'll be able to format an article correctly or even an email, which ties into what I learned from OneDrive. OneDrive allowed me to send emails in a very business appropriate manner, which allows me in the future to send any emails for future work or just seeking any other sort of employment opportunities through businesses, which will be a pretty good leg up versus other people who haven't had this same kind of training. The last two being Excel and OneNote. Although those two won't directly apply to what I've learned and applying it to LinkedIn, OneNote will allow me to set up things in a very organized way. I taught this one myself. I didn't learn this from the course, but I did learn about it through the course, so I'm going to include it. But OneNote showed me how to set up my notes in a very organized way, and it's going to definitely allow me to be a very organized person in the future, so I'll be able to maintain that when I go into my career. The last one being Excel. Although I won't be able to apply Excel to this, the same can be said. I'll be able to use Excel in a very appropriate way and apply what I've learned from this course to future job opportunities. So I'll be able to apply whatever experience. I can tell that through LinkedIn. I can update my resume or update my just about me and explain that I have a lot of experience through that, and I'll be able to apply that into whatever job I have. So those are the 5 connections. Those are my guide on how to use LinkedIn, just the basics on how to set up your profile. That's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe, comment below if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know. Thanks.